Hello little friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn the names of some yummy and colorful fruits. Are you ready? Let's start. Fruits. Apple. Apple. It is red and very tasty. Banana. Bananas are yellow and soft. Monkeys love bananas. Mango. Mango. It is the king of fruits. Mangoes are yellow and very sweet. Grapes. Grapes. Green or purple. Orange. Orange. It is round and full of vitamin C. Pineapple. Pineapple. It has picky top and tastes delicious. Watermelon. Watermelon. It is big, green outside and red inside. Papaya. Papaya. Papaya is orange inside and helps with digestion. It is full of seeds. Strawberry. Strawberries are red and heart shaped. They are super sweet. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. It is full of seeds. They are packed with nutrients. Thank you.